if you go deeper into impermanence, you start to understand it or see it or experience it in terms of changing causes and conditions. And this is a really strong focus of the Buddha. So this is going to play a big part in how the Buddha talks about nirvana. Traditionally, nirvana is understood as some state you get into. And then once you're there, you're done, and then you will not be reborn. That's the traditional interpretation of nirvana. The other interpretation that I think we get a lot in popular Buddhist texts, it's the way that I learned about nirvana, is that nirvana is the end of dukkha, the end of suffering. It's interesting because the Buddha, when he defines what dukkha is, when he defines what suffering is, he talks about how the body is suffering, aging is suffering, death is suffering, getting what you don't want is suffering, losing what you love is suffering. But that would mean that if nirvana is the end of dukkha, then that would be nirvana is the end of birth, old age, death, getting what you want, not getting what you want. And somehow this seems like a totally untenable.